You have to get down on your knees. Yeah, now do your push-ups. No, you have to sit on your knees. Yeah. Now put your chest up and down. Yeah. Feel the burn? Feel the burn? You gotta say 1, 2. You have to put your face all the way down to the ground. Yeah. Count louder.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. 10 is enough. 10 is enough. Okay, you're done. Now make a muscle. Tighter. Make a big muscle. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're done.